Hey guys, it's Matt from Bullion Now, and I've got a very exciting international unboxing here today. So it's all the way from PAMP. That's a Swiss company for those that don't know. I'll be honest, I've already maybe taken a little peek at this first box, but we'll have a look. It's a very, very cool. I would actually say it's long awaited. So have a look here. This is the Lunar series. So if you're interested in the Tigers, this is a very, very cool minted bar. Upside down. There we go. There it is. Something a bit different. So the Tiger is the third in the lunar calendar. I think it's the third. So we start with the mouse, then the ox, then the tiger. That's it. So this is the third in the lunar series. This is the minted bar. It has a proof-like finish. So for those that are unfamiliar with what a proof coin is, that's a pretty common question. What's the difference between a proof and a bullion coin? Funnily enough, this is sort of meeting you in the middle. They describe this as proof-like. So I imagine the way they've achieved that is by polishing the blank, so the rectangular blank before it's stamped. That's most likely been polished a little bit. Not quite to a proof standard, but slightly higher than a bullion standard. So yeah, they would polish that as well as the die that stamps the impression of the design on it. And yeah, it actually looks incredible. PAMP have a really good reputation for high quality products. So if you've ever seen a PAMP bar, you'll know what I'm referring to. They do their things to quite a high standard. So yeah, we've got the tiger here, and on the other side, you've actually got, quite literally, you've got the whole image. So you've got the backside of the tiger here. I don't know if that's the most elegant way to describe it. But yeah, the image here is a tiger climbing down a plum tree. So a plum tree, I've just learned, it also has a great deal of symbolism in Chinese culture. So the tiger is referred to as a lucky animal, and the plum tree is actually the first tree generally to start blossoming after winter. So it's symbolic of the transition from winter into spring, and I think they've done a good job of depicting it there, the tiger climbing down the tree. Alright guys, so that's it. We've got the 1 ounce gold PAMP Lunar Tiger proof-like bar in stock now. So I suspect that they won't last an incredibly long time. There'll be a link in the description so you can go have a look at them. And a little birdie has told me that we may or may not be getting some smaller fractional sizes of these bars coming in. So keep an eye on the channel. I'm sure we'll do another video once they turn up. So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.